for the initial power up just on the airplane, I'm going to hook it up straight to the battery without the controller, just so you can kind of see what it's going to look like. Got a cool reflection off the body. That is sick. I'll pop you guys out of here so you can see it a little better. Look at this. Yes. There you go. I hope that focused a little better. See the flicker? Let me turn the lights out and show you. That'll be cool. I'll just pop the lights out. Look how cool that looks. You can see it kind of dancing fire. How cool is that? Now again, this is plugged straight into the battery, so when you use the ESC and controller, I believe it'll be even brighter and better. This is going to look so cool outside. Awesome. Plug in the plane, let it initialize. There it goes. Now you'll plug in your stacks, and there they go. You can see them flicker. So the three modes for these to go is, one, you get to do it like this. So as you increase the throttle, they'll kind of die out, and then at half throttle they'll shut off. Or you can do it without the controller, which is they're on like this all the time. And then the other mode is if you swap a couple wires that go to the LEDs from the board to the LEDs, then they will come on at half throttle and get brighter as you go to full. So those are all options. Let Ray know kind of how you want them to run. But I'll show you here as I floor it that the lights will go out. Let me turn the lights off in the shop here. There you go. So that's how that looks, and that's how that works. So again, you can have them come on they'll be on brightest at idle, and then they'll slowly fade out to half throttle, or you can have it where they come on at half throttle and get brighter at full throttle, or you can just plug them in to the battery themselves without the controller, and then you'll have them on all the time. All right, model, you're rolling. Okay guys, here we go. It's a little bit dusk. We're gonna get the Gooniac stacks on film for the first time. Let the plane get happy. There she goes. Then you'll plug in your lights into your balance. Ba-bam, and there they go. That's it. I'm not using the controller, I'm just having them on all the time. See them flicker. It's pretty fun. All right, you're on. Here we go.
And those look really bright in person.
They are super bright. Oh yeah, that's easy.
Oh yeah, in person that's no problem. I'm not sure the camera's picking it up as well as it should though.
Yeah guys, it is obvious, very obvious.
Even on the brightest day the other day it looked great.
There, it's really obvious. Cool.
is something I've been working on for a while. Can't totally see it, but these are supposed to be gun ports from a P-51, and I've got a receiver controlled switch in there, and I have it set up to where they will flash. This is just a lower frequency flash, and this is with a two different styles of LEDs. These are just clear LEDs and yellow LEDs, but these are gun ports from a P-51. You can see there they go on the wing ports of an FMS P-51, and you can do this for a couple different kinds of planes. This is a slow frequency. I'm going to find something that actually flashes faster than this, but I have it on a receiver controlled switch right now, so if you flick a switch on your radio or have it set to where it's going to be on your throttle or something else, they just come on like that, and they flash. That's just two colors. I have a whole bunch of different colors I can use. You know, some Hobby King, what I dislike about what Hobby King used to do, they don't have guns anymore, but what they used to do, they had red, and I didn't like the way that the red looked, because it's not what guns look like. It would be either blue or yellow, possibly orange, but this is just two separate options. So this is just the yellow here, and then this is the just a clear here, like a clear white or diffused white. But it's on a receiver controlled switch, so it's just boom, it'll go on a switch like that. So that's one of the things I've been thinking about working on. I'll test this out on my P-47, see how it works, and I'll use a couple different colors for that to see how it which one works the best.